Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to round numbers and measures to an appropriate degree of accuracy. Round the numbers to the given degree of accuracy. So that's what the question is here. So first we need to understand what degree of accuracy means. So we need to round them to the given degree of accuracy. So in the first question, we've got 5.76. We need to round that to one decimal place. So to recognize the first decimal place, we all know the first decimal place is after the decimal point. So that's the 7 here. 5.76 would round up to 5.8, as the next digit after the 7 is a 6, so it rounds the 7 up to 8. We all know if the number, so if you're rounding to one decimal place, just like here, if the next digit is between 0 to 4, we would round down, and if it's from 5 to 9, we would round up. So that's the rule for rounding we need to follow for every question here. Now, the second question, we need to round to one significant figure. Here it would be different. The first significant figure is the 5. So the 5 would round up to 6, as the next digit is a 7. So again, it lies in this category, it rounds up. The next one, 4.997. The second decimal place is a 9. So again, the 7 shows us that it would round the 9 up. So the 9 rounds up to 10. So this happens. So it adds 1 to the next 9, because we can't just write 10 here, this doesn't make sense, so we're carrying the 1 forward, and then this would be 4 point, so then it adds 1 to the 4, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, then finally it becomes 5.0. I've written the zeros, but it doesn't matter if you don't write them, just for clarification, because we're rounding to two decimal places. I've written the zeros. So here it was tricky because we were carrying the 1 to 2 decimal places, so to 2 place values forward. So the final answer is 5. The next one, 5.65, we need to round it to two significant figures. That's what SF again stands for. So the second significant figure is the 6. So this again, the 5 shows us that it would round the 6 up, so it would be 5.7. Now the final question, we need to round this to three significant figures. Here, the zeros don't count as significant figures as they're in front of all the other numbers. So the first significant figure is the 4, the 5 is the second significant figure, and the 6 is the third significant figure. So we're actually rounding to fifth decimal place here. Because of the 7, again, the 6 rounds up, so this would just be 0.00457. So the 6 turned to 7, not because the next digit is a 7, only because it lied in that category. The 7 is too high, so it rounds the 6 up to 7. I hope that's clear. Thanks for watching.